Hello, welcome back guys to Sportaria channels here. Today in this video I'm going to show you a tutorial how to change device name on Motorola G06 Power. But before it, I hope you guys click subscribe and the bells button below to support the channel. And yeah, now without any further ado, let's get started to the video. Well guys, first thing first, here you just have to open the settings applications first, and after in the settings page, you just have to scroll it down. At the bottom, we'll see the above phone options. Tap on it. Now we'll see here the device name. I'm gonna click on it, and this is my default device name, yeah guys, which is Moto G06 Power. If you want to change it, you just have to delete it first. I'm gonna remove it, and I'm gonna enter my new name for the device. And now to save it, you just have to tap on this OK button. Now click on OK again. Yeah, as you can see, now my device name on Motorola G06 Power is already changed, yeah guys, to the area. So yeah, I think it's enough from me. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to leave your like and comments below, and I'll see you soon on the next one. Goodbye.